Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Steam error Steam underscore API 64 dynamic link library missing. So here, if you get this notification, the program cannot start because Steam blah blah blah, try to reinstall the program to fix the problem. So here, a Steam API 64.dll is component of the Steam program. It is required some Steam games to access Steam features functionalities such as anti-cheat and digital right protection so they can run properly. So here, thank you for drivereasy.com provide this article for us. So here, the first, you can try to verify your game files. You can verify your game files on your Steam to restore the missing Steam 64 API 64.dynamic library file. So you can, on your Steam, click library, right click your game, then click properties and verify integrity of game files. So click local files tab, then click verify integrity, then close. Now launch your game, see if there's restore your missing game file and fix your error. And second, you may also need to reinstall your game to repair the missing Steam file. So to reinstall, you can go to the Steam, go to the library, click uninstall, then delete and click store, then search game you've deleted. Click play now, follow on screen instruction to download and install the game. Now check to see if this fix your error. So here, you can also fix your Steam underscore API 64.dll missing issue by restoring the file from reliable source. So here you can download from dllfiles.com. Once it got hit in the database, you will see the available DLL files. You can then click the file and follow the instruction on the page, download file to the designated location. So here you can choose the system operation, like to find out the architecture of your system, 64-bit or 32-bit. Then next, you can copy the same file from another PC. You can try to copy that DLL and then copy into your Steam location. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.